Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM7 error 1011 that indicates serial number problem. If there's a serial number problem that makes the online function fail and like anything that's online doesn't work, then it cannot be fixed by the user. The only way to fix it is to contact to contact the customer care, which you can find in the 9 dots right here. Then settings, I believe, and sorry, I don't think, yeah, it's in tutorials and help. Then contact, and you'll find the phone number or the website or the email address to contact your customer care in your country. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.